okay, I get it. It's
Mr. Gubin.
I don't need to hear it. I don't need to hear the blabby blab. Just stop talking to me.
I was just going to ask if you want to go in a breakout room.
What is a breakout room? I showed all my proof. I showed all the proof. I showed the proof, Mr. Sean Perkins. What is it? Is it my, what is it? My complexion?
Have a good day,
It's my complexion, isn't it, buddy?
Have a good day,
Mr. Uneducated Judge.
Have a good day, Mr. Gubin. You keep on talking.
How are you even a judge?
I'm gonna hold you in contempt, okay? And we're gonna give you some jail time, okay?
Joshua Gubin was found in contempt and ordered to jail more than a year ago, but he never turned himself in. Now he's back in Judge Perkins' courtroom with a new attorney, hoping for leniency. Instead, the judge uncovers missed court dates and multiple pending cases, and what happens next is absolutely brutal.
Courtesy as the others. This is blowing.
I'm giving you the same courtesy. I'm giving you an opportunity to show me some proper documentation. You showed me some invalid registration first.
Sir, the truck is gone, sir. The truck is it got stolen from me at gunpoint. Insurance paid me off for the truck.
Okay.
That is not
the policy that you asked for, and you're not satisfied. And I showed you valid
Gubin,
was registered.
Please,
Mr. Gubin. Don't say anything, Mr. Berry. Don't say anything, Mr. Berry. Mr. Gubin.
What did he say?
Mr. Gubin.
All I was trying to say was I'm extremely sick. I'm literally throwing up right now.
Listen to me. I'm not. We're not going to talk like this. I'm going to talk, and you're going to listen, and I'm going to give you an opportunity to talk. All right. So first of all, don't accuse me of not giving you the same courtesy as everybody else, because that's absolutely not true. I don't have to dismiss these cases just because you said you had insurance. I can send you straight to trial or make you or not make you take the deal. I can't make you do anything, but I'm trying to give you an opportunity to show me valid documentation, okay?
And I'm trying to.
And I don't see, what I told you is, I don't see a proper date on this insurance policy that you sent me.
All right, I'm going to show you this registration that I had on the Ram, and you will see what day that ticket was issued and what day this registration was issued, which was a month or two after the ticket. So the truck was show me the tickets.
Show me the insurance policy, the portion of the policy that has the expiration date. You showed me that registration, 1/7/2024.
I'm trying to get this dismissed. This is this is literally holding me back right now.
You get it dismissed on the date of trial. Date of trial.
Nice. Thanks for no, I see clear as day why I'm not getting the same courtesy. Your name is Sean Perkins? Yeah, okay.
That's the last time I checked.
Yeah. Okay, I get it.
Mr. Gubin.
I don't need to hear it. I don't need to hear the blabby blab. Just stop talking to me.
I was just going to ask if you want to go in a breakout room.
What is a breakout room? I showed all my proof. I showed all the proof. I showed the proof, Mr. Sean Perkins. What is it? Is it my, what is it? My complexion?
Have a good day,
It's my complexion, isn't it, buddy?
Have a good day,
Mr. Uneducated Judge.
Have a good day, Mr. Gubin. You keep on talking.
How are you even a judge?
I'm gonna hold you in contempt, okay? And we're gonna give you some jail time, okay? You have an absolute right to a hearing.
You will accept a huge lawsuit. I showed you every single proof of documentation that I needed to, and you refused to dismiss my
person today, and he has not showed neither. Oh, I think he is here. He is here. Okay, so here's the deal. It's nothing really to talk about with Mr. Gubin. I told him to come in. I said I gave him 30-day Wayne County jail for contempt last year. Yeah, I see him hold up a child, and his child, he didn't come down. So again, he continues to defy orders of the court, and we just don't have much to talk about.
Well, Judge, I understand that that may be the court's position as it relates to this matter. May I have just 1 second? I apologize, Judge. I needed to plug my computer in. So I understand that may be the court's position. I just got retained on this matter this morning. I was not present at the hearing where you apparently held him in contempt. He obviously has an opportunity to prepare and present a defense to the allegation. I'm not sure if the court made a finding as to whether or not this was civil or criminal contempt, and further, whether the court actually determined whether it was direct or indirect contempt. Obviously, the court's ability to sanction an individual, especially with a deferred sanction, may be limited under these circumstances. So what I'd be asking the court to consider doing is giving me a brief adjournment so that I may obtain a copy of the transcript of the last hearing. And I would just cite to case law, which indicates that my client does have the ability to obtain an accurate transcript of the hearing as a matter of due process. And when we come back, I will be prepared to effectively, properly address this matter.
Well, the contempt was right on the record, on the record, and I do have you can get the record for that. It was I did hold him in criminal contempt. That's why I told him 30 days Wayne County Jail. And from my understanding of the court rules, he had his opportunity to contest that. That ship has long sailed, from my understanding of the court rules, because this was done over a year ago. And the only reason that Mr. Gubin has come back before me is because he got some other cases. He let the tickets go on the warrant status. He only is before me because he got the other cases. So I still need his presence here. I'm going to readjust his bond now.
Well, Your Honor.
So he continued, I've let you speak, Counselor, and I'll let you do what you need to do as far as your job, but I'm going to do my job. And Mr. Gubin continues to defy the court's orders, and we'll talk about bond right now. City of Detroit versus Joshua Gubin. Case numbers SP 14114481, count 1 and count 2. SP 1669671. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Camilla Barkovic, appearing on behalf of the defendant who is present.
Your Honor, Rami Hijazi, P82830, on behalf of defendant as well, Your Honor.
Okay, so you can make the record now as far as what you want to do, either counsels if you want to, as far as Mr. Gubin is concerned. Today, we'll call the date and time. There's 2 warrants out for Mr. Gubin's arrest. Let me see what the action was the last time. Mr. Hijazi was here last week when he appeared on Mr. Gubin's behalf after Mr. Gubin showed up, and I realized that he was the gentleman that was just very, very contemptuous on that day that he was here last year. The allegations were made on December the 7th, 2022. Mr. Gubin was arraigned on those matters on February 29th, 2024. There was a show cause scheduled for August the 15th, 2023. And the register of action can reflect all the other necessary court dates that were had. But Mr. Gubin has shown that he does not comply with the court's orders as far as appearing before the court. Mr. Gubin has shown that he is very, very contemptuous. This is not something that I have done except for one other time. And Mr. Gubin, I gave him a week from last week to get his affairs in order to turn himself in, and he's still not here. Go ahead and make record and speak to bond.
Thank you, Judge. I've already articulated some of this to the court off the record, but I was just retained to represent Mr. Gubin in this matter this morning. I am asking for an adjournment of today's hearing so that I may obtain a copy of the transcript of the hearing that was held where you apparently held Mr. Gubin in contempt. He does have a right to counsel in any contempt situation. In addition, he does have a due process right to obtain an accurate transcript of the hearing. I would like to obviously obtain all relevant information and then address this matter appropriately. I'm asking that you take no action today and give me the opportunity that I am requesting on behalf of my client. And if you'd like me to transition into the bond issue, I am happy to do that as well.
I'll let you go ahead with bond.
Thank you. Your Honor, it is my understanding that mere traffic matters are pending before the court, at least one civil infraction, and I believe a no insurance misdemeanor. These incidents date back to 2022 based on my review of the Register of Actions. He has appeared in connection with this matter, which the court has noted. Apparently, he was here last week, and you may have recognized him. But the point of the matter is, I've known Mr. Gubin for a while. He always appears as required and as instructed. I understand that the court may have a difference of opinion as it relates to that, but I would attest to that. He is a lifelong Michigan resident. He has extremely strong family support. He is a father. He has minor children, actually, one of which is visible on the Zoom as we currently sit here. He owns his own business in Wayne County and operates that business very successfully. I think when you consider factors that are relevant to a bond inquiry and are not relevant to collateral matters such as prior actions engaged in allegedly before the court, personal bond is warranted, and it's my understanding that that is what may have been previously entered in connection with this case. Upon conviction of the only misdemeanor with which he presently stands charged, his maximum sentencing exposure is minimal. He is obviously presumed innocent at this point in time. And for all of those reasons, Judge, in addition to other reasons, such as his lack of any significant or substantial criminal history, which is a factor that the court shall consider when it sets bond, I believe a personal is warranted. And retaliation for what allegedly occurred in the past should not impact bond under any circumstance.
All right. Very well. Bond is going to be set at $2,500 cash. I still, the order of Mr. Gubin still showing up because despite what you've articulated on the record, Ms. Bachowicz, I we put the warrant out for Mr. Gubin's arrest a long time ago. He was supposed to be in person here today. He's not. He also has an assault and battery case that he has a warrant out for his arrest for as well. So he showed the court and demonstrated to the court that he has not only with this court, but with the other courts and other judges in this courthouse that he has a failure to appear or something. So bond is $2,500 cash, and it's still ordered that Mr. Gubin show up in person to the court for the conviction hearing, and we will address, and you can appeal the matter to a higher authority if that's what your client chooses to do.
So, Your Honor, I have a comment as it relates to a cash bond. I'm asking that the court impose a cash or surety bond. My interpretation of the court rules as it relates to bond and statutory authority allow the defendant to elect whether he posts a surety or posts a cash bond. And my position is the court cannot outright prohibit a surety. So I'd ask for the addition of a surety provision.
The court has made this ruling, Counselor. You can take it to a higher authority.